Look at the little birds sleeping. Shh. Shh. No talking. The birds are sleeping over here.
Look, they're sleeping.
Shh. Shh. He's chewing a little too loud, his chicken. The birds are sleeping. The birds are sleeping. Be very quiet. Don't tweet very loud, lady. The birds are sleeping. Shh. They're running very loudly over there, and the birds are sleeping. Shh. Shh. The birds are sleeping. Shh. Walk a little quieter, please.
The woman was enthralled by that.
Look at the little sleeping birdies. Ah. Look at the little sleeping birdies. Ma'am, turn your music down. The little birdies are sleeping. Shh. Okay. Shh, shh, shh. Keep the birdies are sleeping over there. Keep your conversation down. Thank you.
Look at them, they're so cute.
Yes, they are. That's why I don't eat the little birdies either. I suspect foul play. That little chick says. Shh. The little birdies are sleeping.
See? Aww. Nobody. I love the people who are like, oh my God.
Have a good day, kind sirs.